The story is India helps its farmers, be it through subsidies, MSPs, or import bans from outside. Because if America ke cheap imports come to Indian markets, then Indian farmers will suffer. But America said that that is unfair. But at the same time, the US is also giving a lot of subsidies to its farmers. But when the US does it, it's strategic. But when India does it, it's unfair. Anyway, cut to 2025, US has put tariffs on Indian exports, and guess who's getting hit again? Indian farmers. Because now their export competitiveness has decreased in the US market. Now, in domestic market, supply is more, but buyers are the same. So the prices will fall even in the domestic market now. Ultimately, farmers earning less. So what will India do now? Because if Western pressure mein aake India opened its markets, cut subsidies, then again it will hit the Indian farmers because cheap imports from US will flood the Indian market and the Indian farmers will not be able to compete with that. And if India plays too aggressively, then again higher tariffs, export bans and whatnot. So ab kare to kare kya? Now options hai. Number one is diversifying export markets. Instead of only relying on US and EU, target Africa, Latin America, Central Asia. Second thing India can do is invest in processing and packaging, because majorly Indian exports are raw rice, shrimps. But if these exports become processed and packaged food, then India can get higher margins, because obviously 1 kilo basmati rice and 1 kg branded organic basmati rice creates a price difference. And the most important thing that India can do is support its farmers, not just through subsidies, but through actual innovation. Agri-tech, better irrigation, direct market access, cold chain, storage. Indian agriculture needs a lot of work.